Hi, this is Holly Wires, and this video is for both strategies for online instruction and data-driven teaching practices. I wanted to visit with you guys quickly about the Shapiro Library provided by Southern New Hampshire University. This is a great place to get your research, get more information about the topics that you're discussing in your research papers. Each of your projects do have a research paper component where you do have to write an essay that is research based, and you do need to come into the Shapiro Library to further your research on the topics that we're discussing. So one thing that we're going to be looking at in strategies for online instruction is scaffolding. So I'm just going to type in there Scaffolding Strategies at the Shapiro Library, which is just a simple search and see what comes up there. You can read articles. You can also check out full books that will help you with your research. You have a link to the Shapiro Library on your homepage to your SNHU account. So be sure to kind of peruse your account to find that link. So here's a lot of different scaffolding strategies. You might, effective scaffolding strategies on higher order thinking skills. Okay, that's specific to a science classroom. That might not be specific to you. Maybe you've heard of a specific author or a theory or, a framework that you could search specifically. I might think, oh, you know what, scaffolding strategies and teach like a champion. Like, what does teach like a champion have in regards to scaffolding strategies? Like, there's some game-based learning that only brought up that one thing. Okay, it might be something to check out. I don't know, but there's the full text of it. You can get, it's a reference, educational games, learning, cognition, education. Okay, might be something to check into if you're looking for some scaffolding strategies. What about Marzano? I like Marzano. He might have some cool scaffolding strategies that you could pull. How teachers make better instructional decisions, creating and using learning targets, and performance scales. Performance scales are a great strategy to be using. You could definitely incorporate that. Helping students process information, teaching for thinking. Okay, so coming into the Shapiro Library is just going to help you find additional research and components in addition to what is provided to you in the course. And these are research heavy projects that you do need to come in here and take a look and see what you can find for your topics. If you're doing data-driven instruction, let's say there is actually data-driven decision-making in education. Let's check that out and see what we come up with that search. There's a book that is specific that comes up. Yeah, none of these are what I'm looking for. Here is an ebook, Data-Driven Decision Making. Okay, that might be something good to check out if you're looking as far as the data-driven teaching practices in my data-driven teaching practices class. So let's see if we can just type in differentiation and see what we come up with. And you might have to do some other searches, and that's okay. Differentiation rules. You might have to say education because that's coming up with some medical medical issues there. Okay, aspects of differentiation in teacher education, planning for differentiation. Okay, so be sure to utilize this. This is going to be important. Bookmark it if you need to. and come back to it. Reach out if you have any questions, or if you need help researching. You can come to this, get some help from a librarian if you need help researching a specific topic. But research, it's going to be important for you to do that in your classes. And reach out if you have any questions. Thanks so much.